How to cast Android screen on PC. If you have been looking for or searching for how you can cast the screen of your Android phone to the screen of your computer, this video is for you. I will walk you through on the steps you need to take to achieve that. Okay, so let's get started. Click the Start menu of your computer, then click the search bar section. Type the word wireless display. You can see it on the list here. Click on it. The next step to take is this. Connect your PC and your phone to one network. That is, connect your PC and your Android phone to a hotspot. Click on this section. Click on the Wi-Fi section. You will see hotspots that are available. So I'll click this, then I'll connect. Connected. So let me get to my smartphone and then set up that part of the device. I am on my Android smartphone. The first step I have to take is to connect this Android smartphone to the same hotspot. So I will swipe down, tap on the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see GTech, the same hotspot, is now connected. Okay, then swipe by the side and then get to a feature named Smart View. In some smartphones, this is known as cast. So depending on the term used on your phone is the same. So tap on it. As the Android phone detects the name of your PC, which is Godwin Tech in this case, tap on it. Okay, now connected. So anything I do on the screen of my phone will display on my PC, just as you can see right now. So these are the simple steps you need to take to get that done. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.